today we will see the proof of derivative of log x with base a, that is equal to 1 over x log a with base e. We will see proof of this formula. Few students get confused how it comes. That's why today I want to show proof of this formula. Before start the topic, let's recall few properties of log x, that is derivative of log x, which is 1 over x. So we are going to use this property, and also we are going to use change base of logarithm property, that is log b with base a, that is equal to log b with base e over log a with base e. So let's go and see step by step. Suppose if you have a function log x with base 2, this given function you have to use this change base property, and we can write this as log x with base e over log 2 with base e. Now we have to apply derivative on both sides. After applying the derivative on both sides, now observe the right hand side. Right hand side, at denominator we have a log 2 with base e. So it is a constant. So that's why I am taking it front, log 2 with base e. What we left? We left derivative of log x with base e. What is the derivative of log x with base e? Which is 1 over x. So let's write instead of derivative of log x with base e, we can write this as 1 over x. So finally we can write this as 1 over x log 2 with base e. Let's go and see one more. Suppose if we have a function log x with base 6. So first what you have to, using the change base property, we can write this as log x with base e over log 6 with base e. Now you have to apply the derivative on both sides. After applying the derivative on both sides, now observe the denominator. We have a constant term. So the constant term you have to take it front. Then remaining you left derivative of log x with base e. So derivative of log x with base e, the formula is 1 over x. So instead of this we can write this as 1 over x. So finally we can write this as 1 over x log 6 with base e. Similarly, if you take a general term which is log x with base a. So first what you have to do? You have to apply the change base property. Log x with base e over log a with base e. Now apply the derivative on both sides. Log a with base e is a constant term, so that's why I am taking it as front side. Then what we left? We left derivative of log x. Derivative of log x, we know that the formula is 1 over x. So just simply write this as 1 over x. So that is equal to 1 over x log a with base e. This is the proof of this derivative of log x with base a. Hence we proved by using these two logarithm properties. I hope you like this content. If you like this content, please share, subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.